All right, I'm going to demonstrate how to link your family page to your landing page. So last class we did um, let me see, from my um, individual page, landing page is like this, right? But I don't have anything linked to my family page, right? We did a family page last time. Where is it? Okay, on the virtual desktop I have folder classes. I mean, you only have INFM212, okay? All right, you click on your folder, then you will see your index page is right here, and then your family page is right here, okay? So your index page will be like this, okay? Well, different picture. Yeah, family page would be like this, something like this, right? We make few of the link works. So how to link them together? So you go back to your landing page right here, and then you right mouse click and open with the text pad. All right, so just like link with any URL, link to Mercer, you're going to enclose by anchor tag and put it um, um, hyperreference to equal to Mercer's URL, right? Same thing here, but where are you going to link to? You say family website, okay? And then I'm going to use the anchor key to close that out. This is a close anchor, and this is the open anchor key. Oh, open anchor tag. Then hyperreference, right? Equal to. So hyperreference equal to what? Where is our folder at? Right here. Let me link. Let me click on this so we can link that to see where is our family page is. Okay. All right. So no, I'm not really linked to that side. So INFM user one is my W user. Let's disconnect current one. Good. All right. So I see my site is right here 212, then 1642, and my user is user one, and then oh, I even didn't upload that to server. So I'm going to find that file. Well, you guys are ahead of me, so you already have that folder there, and this is the folder. I'm going to drag the family side to here. Okay. So let me ask you, what I'm going to link to really from my landing page index right here, right? And link to family, and then this index. Is that right? Okay. So I either can do a URL or just the file, which is what? Family, I have to go inside the family folder, right? And then slash index.html, right? Okay, I'm going to do that and then see if that works, okay? All right, family slash index.html. All right, so I save this, and then I preview this, and then I'll see, click on this, and then my family site is linked. Okay, so your landing page, yes, landing page index. Yeah, then you're going to, this is the path. You have to go inside the family folder, and then find your index.html. That's the short answer, okay? There is another way to do that. I'm just going to copy paste this, but you don't need to do twice, okay? And beside this, you also have a URL itself. Okay, you can go to the family site directly. That's a URL for the family site, right? So where are you going there, actually? It's going to be like all the folders, right? So think about your landing pages right here. This user, and then you're going to find your family, right? Family, and then index.html, right? So that would be your family site. Is that right? But you need to link them together. So you can put this as a URL as well. Either one is working fine. So you go back here, and then instead of giving relative path, you give absolute URL like this. So either one is fine. Um, what is that? Okay. I'm going to say target, because family site is also kind of separate site. Target equal to underscore blank. Okay, so same thing with the last one. So copy, paste. Oops, paste the wrong place. Okay, paste. All right, save. All right, so now you save the whole thing, and then you can link, you can update this to the server. The only thing you need to update is the index. You only change the index now, right? So you link it again, and then you need to make sure when you drag it, you know on the local file is the landing page, and go back the folder of landing page. Replace this index. Don't replace the family index, okay? So you drag this to the right and replace that. So what you see is on the website, refresh, and what do you see? You have two link, okay? You don't need to do two. I'm just telling you the two way to do that. The first one will test. The second one, click and go there directly. Let me tell you the difference. Okay, so if you build a website and you want to package this whole, whole package, move this website to another site, and then you may don't have the URL. The URL maybe will stay there. Family site stay here on our old server, and then your landing page to another server. Then you want to use absolutely address. And if you move in the whole package to another server, then you probably want to use the relative path, because then the server wouldn't be able to, find the page in the old server. So that's different. But in our case, we're not moving anywhere right now, and most of the time I will recommend, if it's a whole package thing, I would recommend use relative path rather than absolute path. Okay. But this is a short capture of how you're going to be able to link your family page to your landing page. Same thing to your project later on. If you have project index, you have to link back to the landing page. Same thing. Okay. Any question? Hanson, hold on just a second. Okay. Since I have two of those, and I did quickly cover about the command out for the HTML. You can command this line out by exclamation point and the dash dash, and also close this tag by doing that. So close this and save this, and that will comment that out. So the second line would not work, would not be pop out to the HTML file. So if you refresh, drag it to the right, and then you will only see one link, which is the first link. Okay? All right, Hanson, question. Sorry. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me turn off this video capture. Then we talk about cascading style sheet. Okay.